Hey guys, my name is Ammar and welcome to my channel Robotics Unlimited. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an interesting bike racing game using cardboard, and it's very simple to make and I'm going to show you now, and let's get into the video. We will be needing lots of cardboard pieces and I will be showing you when to put these correctly. First of all, take a triangular shaped cardboard and take two rectangle shaped cardboards, and for the gears we are going to I'm going to attach them to the cardboard using two nails, and make sure the nails are so strong so it shouldn't fall off like this. And then take two more nails and prick it below 1 centimeter below the rectangular shape figures. After that, take some ice cream sticks. Take one ice cream stick, break it into two, and we will be placing it after the nail as I am showing now. We will be placing it like this, so then the gear won't go out of control. After you paste, take one more ice cream stick and break it into two, and I want you to paste correctly. I want you to paste 90 degrees to which should be touching both together. And then I have made this as a phone frame so we can keep our phone in this so we can play the game in peace. Behind I have kept the balance part, and here I have attached a rubber band to the nail, and the other end I have attached it to the parallel sticks. I have taken a cardboard and I have attached that with some lids as a gap in the end, and then we are going to attach the display in there as shown in the figure. And then I took two ice cream sticks, I tied a wire in the ice cream sticks with foil, and then I attached a cloth, so when I wet the cloth, the connection becomes more strong and easily it will get touched to the display if it doesn't touch with only foil. After that, as you can see here, I have attached those two sticks on top of those sticks, so when you pull the gear it will touch that phone display. And then I have the other wires end, I have taken two aluminium pieces and I'm going to attach both in the gear. So as you can see now, whenever I press the gear, it's touching the display. And then this is a cover to cover. Before that, place a long cardboard stick down so we can keep the handle. Take two cardboards. I want to just wrinkle it so it will turn into a cylinder shape, and then attach it in the long part. Then I have covered those handles using some paper, some white papers. And now I'm attaching a lid, some lids, and I attached a small cardboard piece, and after that I'm going to attach the big triangular shaped cover, so if it won't touch any of those ice cream sticks and create a problem. Then I took another cardboard piece and I drew some boxes and squares and I cut all of them. You can see the shapes here. What I did, I took a normal cardboard long rectangular piece, pasted these two as shown in the video now, and then for a balance I kept it there. So as you can see here, the top part I placed two cardboards thickly, and then as a balance I kept it those two, and I pricked a hole between both of those, so whenever you can tilt the game and you can play. And I have kept those two with an ice cream with a pencil in here, and and our project is completed. You can see it's tilting beautifully, and then if you click the gears it's changing, and now we need a game. So go to Play Store, select Traffic Rider, and then you can see this game which I'm showing here, the purple color background, and open it. So as it'll open like this, then I want you to click play. You can choose any levels you want and then play, and keep it in our phone frame. And now we are ready to play. So as you can see here, whenever I click the front gear it's racing, and when I click the others it's braking. It is giving a nice brake and it's touching efficiently, and enjoy the video. Hope you like the video, and smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. Bye.